The title of story is Bad Company. Once a boy fell into a bad company. He acquired many bad habits. It pained his father. His father tried to best to set him right, but to no avail. But it was useless. It was in vain. One day the father thought a good plan to mend his son. Means a new idea came arrives in father's head. He went to आगे देखेंगे he went to the fruit market and brought some fresh apples and a rotten one also. He came home and said to his son, "Put these apples in the almirah." The boy did so. After few days, the father asked his son to bring the basket of apples. The son was surprised to find that all the apples had been gone rotten. The father said, "One rotten apple has spoiled all the good ones." Bad friends are like the bad apples. They will spoil you. The son listened to his advice and gave up the bad company. Moral of the story is better alone than in a bad company or avoid bad company. Dear students, आप इस स्टोरी को बेस बना करके अपनी आइडियाज़ ऐड करते हुए इस स्टोरी को और भी बड़ा बनाने का प्रयास करेंगे। इस स्टोरी को ऐसी ही ढेर सारी स्टोरीज़ को आप कलेक्ट करें और उस पर प्रैक्टिस करें। प्रैक्टिस करके अच्छे से अच्छा नंबर पाएँ। थैंक